So we've got a quick little video from a project that we're just wrapping up in Winnipeg. We did part one, or stage one of the installation over the weekend. We still have to go back and install the amps and processor, but check it out and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, give us a shout, info@santonaudio.ca, or give us a call, 905-475-2038. Thanks, and we'll talk to you guys soon. I'll do a quick little walk out here to give you the lay of the land. So first, our first DJ input's right down here, just to the side of this door frame. First top, A1, jumps over to A2, which is right over here. Second round of tops is B1 right here, B2 over here, excuse me. We use the EV pendant speakers, the P6.2. This is C1 right here, and C2. Oh, I gotta get my string down from there. That's C2. And then we've got, this would be D2, and D1 is the further one down there. And that's D1, or D2 rather. We use the EVID 10.1D subwoofers. These guys have nice low end and go up pretty easily. Just gonna check out the rigging here. So we've got these guys bagged up still, but we got forged eye bolts. I believe it's 3/8 chain. We've got three safety cables to quick links. So these guys should be able to withstand a fucking earthquake. And lastly, we've got our second DJ hookup right here. And this guy actually has the wall mount unit already in place. Note for next time, we're going to need two of those, two XLR wall mount jacks. We're also going to need a white faceplate for here. This is our volume control unit right here. So we need a faceplate there. And then we're going to need a second XLR wall jack for right here. And that about does it.